Good morning students. Today we are going to perform set A practical number 8. Study of population density and frequency of different plant populations by quadrat method. Actually for this practical we will go on ground and in reality we will count different species of plant. But now because of COVID we will be using the diagrams which are provided in our journal cum handbook. Okay. So for this practical, usually what we will do, we will take 4 nails and we will use string and we will measure 50 centimeter by 50 centimeter like that square patch of land we will take. How many different patches we will take? 5. 1, 2, 3 and 2 more we will add, that is 4 and 5. 5 patches of land we will take. In each land we will have different types of plants. We may not be knowing the names. So we will use the alphabet small a, small b, small c, small d, small e and small f. Okay. So these are the different species of plants. What is a? See this diagram. You can see the diagram. So here we have to count. Just we have to count. This is our quadrant 1. So in quadrant 1 we will count how many species of a plant is present. This is 1. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So total 13. So total we are having species A in quadrant number 1, 13 plants. Likewise, same plant species we have to count in quadrant B, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth and fifth quadrant. And we will write the number in this respective columns. So now after counting species A in all the quadrants we wrote here, that is quadrant number 2 there are 8 plants of species A, quadrant 3 12 plants, quadrant 4 13 plants and quadrant 5 11 plants. Next step is what? We had to add up all this. What is that? Total number of individuals, that is our plants in all the quadrants studied. So we have to do 13 plus 8 plus 12 plus 13 plus 11, that is 57. Next is what? Total number of quadrants in which the species occurred. So in this our practical, species A is occurred, we can count species A in all the quadrants. So how many quadrants we can find species A? In how many quadrants? 5 quadrants. And how many quadrants we studied? We studied 5. Next is what is the population density formula? Population density formula is total number of individual of a species in all the quadrants studied divided by total number of quadrants studied. So here it is our how many species plant individual populations we have found? That is 57. And then how many quadrants we studied? 5. So when we divide 57 by 5 we will get 11.4. That is the population density. Here the formula is wrong. For frequency percentage it is not N, it is A. A by B by 100. What is A? It is the total number of quadrant in which our species was found divided by total number of quadrant which we studied into 100. So it comes to 100%. 100% means the species A plant is found in all the quadrants and the frequency is 100%. Like that we have to calculate for B, species B, species C, species D, species E and species F. Then we have to fill this all columns.